Welcome to Herald Classes, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the grammar topic verbs. And in English language, one verb is there, and it works as auxiliary and verb. That's we have somewhat confused about the do, does, did, and done, and how it works in the sentence. And I will tell you, do is the verb and auxiliary also, and when it works as a auxiliary and when it works as a verb, I will tell you. And after I will after after my telling, and you will be more clear. Okay, I will go to tell you. Here I have written, and if you see the written form, it will more clear to you. Okay, uses of do, does, did, and done, and I have written here using as a verb do, does in present, and did in past, done in the perfect present is there, and present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, we use the done. So how we use do, does in present, I will tell you, using as a auxiliary in asking questions. So this do and does we use as a auxiliary. I will give you example. Do you know him? So I have already cleared you when we are making the yes or no type questions. At that time I have told you which questions are starting from the auxiliary. That questions are yes or no type questions. So this is a we use as a auxiliary first. Do you know him? And does he complete her homework? And do you read English? Does he speak English? And did you live in Mumbai? Sorry, in, and did she live in Pune? So dear friends, one thing is I want to clear you. So when it is a past in the sentence, did you lived? So it should not be there, not lived. So this is the auxiliary of past tense, and you should not write lived. Did you live in Mumbai? So when you ask the questions at that time, you should very careful. And did she live in Pune? Not lived. So I want to clear you, and I hope you have cleared. And then second thing, I am going to using as auxiliary and verb in one sentence. So this verb means do. We use both as an auxiliary and verb. So I will give example. Do you do exercise regularly? Here you see do is the auxiliary, and this do act as a verb. Do you do exercise regularly? And then does she do yoga every day? Here does is the auxiliary I have written here, and this do is act as a verb in the sentence. And dear friends, I do my homework, and here it complete work as a verb, as a verb. I do my homework, and she does her all works. She does her all household chores. So in this way, so it work as a verb, and here in the two sentence it work as an auxiliary, and this do as work as a verb. So I hope you have cleared. And then number 4, do use as an auxiliary we use for the I, we, they, you. So I will give you example. And does auxiliary we use for he, she, it. Sorry, he, she, it. And did we use for the I, we, they, you, he, she, it. And for asking questions only. Okay, have cleared? So do I make homework? Do you do we make homework? Do they make homework? Do you make homework? So in this way we asking the questions use as a auxiliary in the sentences. And does he make homework? Does he make homework? Does he make her work or job? Does it write his homework? So in this way. And did we use did in the past tense, and this is the past form of the do. And did did I go to home? did we go to home? And so I have told you, did they work hard? Did you know him? Did he know him? Did she know it? Did it came to down? So in this way, for asking questions we use, and then done we use for the perfect present, perfect past, and perfect future. I have already told you, and I have given examples. I have done my job. I have done my homework, and she has done her classwork. He had done his office work. So in this way, how and when we use the do, does, did, and done, I have told you. So dear friends, I hope you have cleared. So I hope you have understood, and I am sorry. I tried to my level best. So dear friends, if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future video. And if you have any doubts, comments, you comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.